This is Screeno coming to you live.
Squidward,
Standing in front of the mosquito prop from Jurassic Park.
Yes,
That's right, I'm talking about Jurassic Park's very own restart of the dinosaur species.
Come see the group.
Coming to you live from
New
York City.
500 megaton depth charge of subaquatic hits.
And also, in incoming news, we will also be drawing me, along with my crew, Myke and Camsta.
Ticket Tyrant locations.
We got Patrick Starr on the phone to talk about his rockin' new song, Under My Rock. Patrick,
Let's get started.
Hello?
This is Albert Query on WH2O, and you're on the air.
Hello?
Let's start off with my colleague, Myke, before we get started.
Can you turn your radio down?
It's really hard to hear you, Al. Could you turn your radio down? Turn your radio down? Yeah, I heard you the first time.
Patrick, you turned the volume up. Turn it the other way.
What?
Okay, we're experiencing some technical difficulties. We'll try to get back to Patrick later. In the meantime, let's spin this tune where Patrick has gone in a bolder new direction. Under My Rock. Whoa! That was weird. Okay, let's lasso up our ears and listen to Sandy tell this bushy tale of the sagebrush trail. Who wants to race me?
Okay, drummer, count us in.
Yeah, drummer, count us in.
Patrick, you're the drummer.
Alright,
10, 9,
here's the
5, 4, 3,
mark for Mix TV.
In the foamy brine, we get so bored sometimes.
We need a thrill to kill some time, so we go out and find a fishing line.
We give a little tug and hang on tight, make the man upstairs.
This also considers
the
You gotta know when
the love for that new ride at Rise, New York City.
They reel you in so fast. Let's see who lets go last. It's a blast! Ride, ride, ride in the hook now. Ride, ride, ride in the hook now. Ride, ride.
What's that? Okay.
You're up again.
7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2.
You better have nerve to steal if you wanna be the rod and reel.
Who back down? Is it you or me? We'll have to wait and see.
I dig that charge, I need a buzz. Ask me why, it's just because.
Let's see what you're made of, boy. What are you afraid of, boy?
Nobody wants to be the chicken of the sea.
Here's Mike's legs.
Ride in the hook now, ride, ride, ride in the hook now, ride, ride, ride in the hook now, ride, 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 ride in the hook now, ride in the hook now. Here, Patrick, let me help you.
No, I got it. 10, 9, 7. Why does it have to be backwards? 5, 4, 3, 2.
Here's Mike's Mega Mike.
Hey, who you calling scared?
Here's his Mega Mike.
It's a double, triple dare. Even square.
Alexa, what is a radio?
According to Wikipedia, radio is the technology of using radio waves to carry information, such as sound, by systematically modulating properties of electromagnetic energy waves transmitted through space, such as their amplitude, frequency, phase, or pulse width.
There. That's how you draw Mike. In other news, we have a new library book that I just purchased. It's called Chased by Sea Monsters. Consider the following. That the dinosaurs are also parts of the how to draw episode. Alexa, next song, please. Now we just draw a camsta.
Shake your bottom like your pants are square. Start a trembling down in your knees. Slide on the floor like it's covered.
You see, Mike control is basically a boom operator, and the camsta is a cameraman. Plus, he's got this camera.
That's how I started this brand new fad. I know I'm looking real good right now with my big blue eyes and my L7 trow. You wanna learn? Well, I'll teach you how. You'll be doing the Krabby Patty.
Here's the propeller.
Come on, join my crusty crew. I made the Krabby Patty just for you. Roll out those hot dogs, burgers, and fries. Lose the bowls of chili and the pizza pies. How do you cook it, man? That's no riddle.
Sizzle just a little in the middle of the grill.
Just ask any gourmet fish. It's Bikini Bottom's #1 dish. The Krusty Krab's really where it's at. Look how we rolled out the welcome mat. The patty's skinny, but the buns are fat. When we're doing the Krabby Patty. Oh, you want to learn to do the Krabby Patty? Well, here's what you gotta do. Take your patty and throw it on the grill. Can you feel it? It's such a thrill. Now you reach up and put on some ketchup. You're a natural with that spatula.
There we go.
Let the mustard trickle and a little slice of pickle. Now put it on a bun. You're almost done. Here it comes. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, you're looking good. Start your diet tomorrow. Slap some lettuce on it. Buy a bag, a box, a carton, a case. Stomp your feet and feed your face.
There we go. Now here we draw the legs. Otherwise known as skis. And in other news, we've got
That really greased my grill. That was SpongeBob in the high seas doing the Krabby Patty.
the Dunkleosteus skull.
Wait a minute. Somebody's jamming our signal. What evil genius would do
And
this?
the Dunkleosteus skull, you saw it right there, folks. In other news, they have it on the Walking with Dinosaur series, and they also have the skeleton skull at the Museum of Natural History. That's what they call fortune and luck. And finally, that's all for now.
I'm trying to conquer the planet.
All right, finally, you asked for it. We're finally gonna draw Screeno.
My little screen queen, why don't you take a nice bubble bath while you're still plugged in? What? I wasn't me.
It's time to check in with Dover Soul with Bikini Bottom weather. Hey, Dover, give us the once-over.
Okay, Al.
Here's the teeth.
7-day forecast for Bikini Bottom. It's gonna be wet, wet.
Basically,
wet,
Screeno is a
wet, followed by a
related
wet weekend.
is in the shape of a TV, and Screeno is basically the main broadcaster for the
That's right, Dover. Remember,
Mixel
kids,
TV
play by
series.
the book. Don't ride the hook.
He's talking about me.
Hi, radio listeners. This is SpongeBob SquarePants. When I'm in Bikini Bottom, I listen to Al Bakari, the Toonful Tuna, on WH2O.
is the boss of the sea sauce, albacore, the tuneful tuna. We're rocking the bottom. You want hits, we got 'em. We're premiering Bikini Bottom's #1 album. It's SpongeBob and
There.
the High Seas, the best day ever.
Lucky you. You caught the tuna, the tuneful tuna, albacore, on WH2O radio.
Here's his tie.
As all good things must come to an end, so must the tuneful tuna show. This is albacore saying, remember, little fishies, keep on rocking, because you only rock once. Oh, whoop-a-doo. Ladies and gentlemen, you can't believe who just came into the studio. It's SpongeBob and the High Seas. Come on over here and say hello to our listeners.
Hi. Ahoy. Hello.
Ah, look who else is here. Plankton.
Hey, Al. Long-time listener.
Yeah, Sandy Cheeks on guitar. Al, I listen to you every morning.
Patrick Starr, drums. I have a radio.
Hi. We're trying to go.
Here's the Mega Mike.
Well, I suppose
Here's his microphone. He uses this to broadcast the news. News.
SpongeBob, is there anything...
He's always ready for a fight and he's never gonna stop. This is the perfect time to mix and max anytime.
We've been out on the road and it's been very tough.
There you have it, folks. That is how you draw me and everyone else that I have on the crew.
So heavy.
And here to do a big surprise, I'll be showing you all a really huge mosasaur. Give me a second here.
Hey, you caught the tuna, and the Tuneful Tuna Show is sponsored by the Krusty Krab restaurant.
Hi, this is Eugene Krabs.
Here it is.
Proprietor and owner of the
Here we have him doing a cage fight. And it looks like the mosasaurs are on the win. Congratulations to the mosasaurs. Alright, this is a 12-minute show, and, well, just to remind you that dinosaurs are in the top news for the New York City. Also, you can rent Jurassic World on demand. Anything is possible. Thank you for joining us today. This is Screeno signing off. This is hello to the, and say hello to the crew.